Indiana teenagers face the death penalty for a brutal double murder in Corydon.
But their case leading up to trial is hitting a few snags. WLKY's Ann Bowden has more on the capital murder case against Austin Scott and Kevin Schuler.
The death penalty case of two teens here in Harrison County, Indiana, is delayed because of two reasons. One, DNA evidence, and the other, arguments over the crime scene. It has the state frustrated.
Is either going to show that my client's telling the truth or he's not.
Austin Scott and Kevin Schuler are charged in the murders of 70-year-old Gary Henderson and 57-year-old Aseneth Arnold. The couple was beaten and stabbed to death during a robbery last year. But Schuler's attorney, Eric Weitzel, says DNA evidence could exonerate his client as one of the killers. He says that DNA has been held up at the State Police Crime Lab. So Weitzel is refusing to set any hearing dates regarding trial until the DNA is released.
They've both given contradictory statements as to actually who killed Miss Arnold. There's no contradictory evidence as to who killed Mr. Henderson.
The state says this death penalty trial needs to be tried sooner than later, with hearing dates set, regardless of DNA.
What the state does not want to have happen is this case sit dormant for 1 or 2 years. We want to see progress every step of the way, and that's what we're going to push for.
The other issue delaying this capital murder case is the crime scene where it happened. Defense attorneys for Schuler and Scott want a walkthrough of the home where the crime happened. But the owner of the estate, Michelle Hartness, and her attorney don't want any of them inside, fearing liability if someone gets hurt on the property.
As far as trying to prevent us from being able to do it and do our due diligence on a capital case where there's been 2 homicides, I think that's a little bit far-fetched and a little bit over the top.
The judge ruled the attorneys could do the walkthrough with the condition they'd sign a waiver releasing the estate from liability. But then there was another argument of who could be there at the walkthrough. So the next hearing to sort all of this out is scheduled for the middle of next month. Here at the Harrison County Courthouse, Ann Bowden, WLKY News.
Now, attorneys offered both teens a plea deal early on in this case. The deal would have sentenced them to life in prison without the possibility of parole. But both teens turned down the deal and are now facing the death penalty.